Hey, Z-Fam. I just woke up and I heard the rain coming down, and it's coming down a lot harder than when it was in the last video that I made. This is, uh, this is more storm-like rain. Yeah, this rain is a lot, yeah, I'm feeling it on my hand right now. It's a lot more intense than the last video that I made here. I'm not gonna sit out on my Adirondack chair because well, it's all soaked with rain. So I figured I'd just stand here and appreciate the wonderful, wonderful rain coming down here. And it's almost like the rain that I experienced in that one vlog. Not quite, but hey, maybe that'll change. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready and start my day. Alright? Alright. Yeah, I've got bedhead right here. I literally just woke up like a minute and well, a little bit earlier than that. But it's the time of this vlog plus I don't know. Point is, I just woke up. Alright, until next time, this is Zach, out.